here's how this goofy wiener boy needs to be fixed in Brawl Stars. Because Doug has a problem and it is not good, but there's a difficult solution that you must know. So Doug is said to be a support brawler, but I think he's having an identity crisis. Let me explain. His main attack can deal a lot of damage, but at the same time he can also heal his teammate. But this is fundamentally bad, because the radius of attack is very average, which means you either focus on attack or focus on healing, which is such a goofy selection if you wanted a healer. I would rather get creamed by Barry than live under Doug, but there's no denying Doug's damage is really good. Plus the super gives you a second life at full health, and I guess that's where we should focus. So here's how I wanna fix him. Let's give him an actual useful star power. Here, whenever Doug hits the target, he gains a small speed boost for 0.5 seconds. This will help him chase down the enemy and aggressively use his Wiener super